Learn a simple recipe for a tea that can be included in your daily routine. Ginger and lemon tea. 1 piece of fresh ginger, 1 organic lemon, cut into slices, 5 ml of water, honey to taste optional. Ginger can help with digestion and increase metabolism. Elican M compostos bioactivos, como gingerol, que podem ajudar a estimular a produção de saliva e outros sucos digestivos, facilitating the digestive process. Some studies suggest that ginger can increase thermogenesis, the process whereby the body burns calories to produce heat. This may contribute to an increase of metabolism. Include ginger in your diet, either part of a tea, culinary dish, or supplement, can be a healthy way to take advantage of these benefits. Lemon is a citrus fruit rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer several benefits for the body. It provides vitamin C and can help with detoxification. Lemon can be a healthy addition to a weight loss diet of weight. The pectin fiber found in the bark of lemon can help reduce the sensation of hunger. Remember that significant results, weight loss will only be achieved with a balanced diet and exercise, regular physicals. This tea can be a healthy addition to your daily routine, but it is essential. Adopt a holistic approach to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Are you ready to transform your life and achieve the best version of yourself? Our book and course have been carefully designed to guide you through an exciting journey towards health, well-being, and self-improvement. Link in description. Like, comment, and subscribe.